Oh, man, this looks like a dope problem right here. I've got not one, but two right triangles here. Now, I'm trying to solve for x, but I only know one side of that particular right triangle. Perhaps I could solve for this side right here of this right triangle since I've got two sides of that one. Okay, so let's start with that, right? Pythagorean theorem. I got two known sides of a right triangle. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. But which one's my c squared? That is my c squared, okay? It's across my right angle. That's my c squared. So why don't I go ahead and call this, I'll just call this y for now. I'll make up a different variable, right? I don't want to use x because then I might confuse myself and think that I've already solved it, okay? So I'm going to have y squared plus 15 squared is equal to 17 squared. Ooh, these are some large numbers. All right. So I'm going to subtract. Well, actually, hold up. I gotta square that bad boy, right? That's 225. This is like 289. So then I'm going to get y squared is equal to, what's that going to be, 64? If I subtract 225. All right. We're cooking. We're cooking. We're moving, baby. Woo! Square root. And I get y equals 8. Okay. So this side right here is 8. Now you're going to find out later on that you're like, man, it's a nice 8, 15, and 17. Those are a nice triangle, right? It's a beautiful triangle. No decimals, no simplifying radicals. That's one of our Pythagorean triples. There are many of them, and you'll see them in another video. Okay, I don't want to spoil that one, right? Next up, we got to solve this other right triangle. Now, that 8 is my hypotenuse because it is across from the right angle, right? My x is a leg, and my 4 is a leg. So I'm going to set up 4 squared plus x squared is equal to 8 squared. And now we're going to solve it. All right, so I've got 16 plus x squared is equal to 64. I'm going to subtract 16. So I got x squared is equal to 48, and I got a square root. Now, there's no perfect square for 48. I got to break that down. 2 and 24, right? I like to go with 2's first. That's just me. All right, 2 and 12, 2 and 6. I can still go by 2's, and I got 3. Pair of 2's. Pair of 2's. I've got, almost wrote 2. Almost wrote, I was going so ham with the 2's. 2 times 2 is 4 root 3. There's my final answer. That's my answer there for x. Boom. I am done. We nailed it. That was awesome. That was fantastic. Have a wonderful day.